When board-certified dermatologists and Ayurvedic experts agree on something, I pay attention, and I think you should too. They're all talking about castor oil for dry, maturing skin. But there's also an NIH study on dry, mature skin that showed an increase of hydration of 148% in 4 weeks. If you're over 40, here's what you need to know about both oils, and stay tuned till the end to find out exactly how I incorporate both of these oils into my daily skincare routine and how it'll help you too. Protects against wrinkles. Get ready to hear something groundbreaking. Castor oil is believed to be, by some, the answer to fighting signs of aging without super strength serums or injections. To help moisturize skin, Panda suggests you dip a small cotton ball onto a castor oil and then apply it to your skin before going to bed. Dermatologist Morgan Rabach, MD, has a slightly different take. Castor oil is a moisturizer for the skin, hair, and nails and can be used alone or with other products. The moisturizing effects are beneficial for chapped lips, super dry hands, and feet in the winter. There are some reports that it has anti-inflammatory properties, although it has not been well tested or established. Soothes dry skin and other conditions. As if protecting against wrinkles and speeding up hair growth weren't enough, castor oil is also traditionally used for its supposed healing properties against dry skin, eczema, dermatitis, rosacea, psoriasis, and other skin conditions. Inflamed skin is crying out for castor oil, says Pende. Fights bacteria. Being especially rich in naturally antibacterial ricinoleic acid, castor oil might help hydrate and fight bacteria at the same time. Coconut oil is a potential candidate for natural skincare products with properties such as antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and moisturizing. Virgin coconut oil consists of 90 to 95% saturated triglycerides that have a moisturizing effect on the skin. VCO contains high levels of ferulic acid and p-coumaric acid, both phenolic acids, which are associated with antioxidant capacity. Clinical studies show that coconut oil improves symptoms of skin disorders by moisturizing and soothing the skin. Virgin coconut oil exerts its anti-inflammatory activity through suppressing inflammatory markers and protects the skin by strengthening the skin barrier function. Another study showed 100% plus improvement in skin moisture content of mice after 2 weeks of using virgin coconut oil and 148% after 4 weeks. Compared with before application, the rate of water loss through the epidermis improved by 27% in 2 weeks and 36% after 4 weeks of applying virgin coconut oil. Back to earlier in the video, Ayurvedic expert suggested using castor oil straight on a cotton pad and applying it to your skin. I find that castor oil is very thick and kind of gloppy, kind of hard to smear around on its own. This is my own personal castor oil. I'm not sponsored or anything. I bought this with my own money. I absolutely love it. I only have like this much left, as I need to order more. But this is 100% Jamaican black castor oil. There's nothing else in it. It's cold pressed, sulfate free, paraben free, hexane free, BPA free. I like mixing this with the virgin coconut oil, which they alluded to, with this face and body cream. This face and body cream, which I developed for my dry eczema skin, sensitive skin. You don't have to have eczema to be able to use it, but this is how I start with just a little bit of the cream, which has mango butter in it also, which is amazing for this time of year, and the virgin coconut oil, and just a couple drops of the castor oil, and then you just simply rub it onto your hands, your face, your neck, your chest, your forearms, and then just give it a minute to absorb. You can feel it soaking in, and it feels so good, especially on dry skin. I've been using it under my makeup. I haven't had any problems with my pores clogging because your skin knows what to do with the oils, and they're both natural, so you can safely layer them. Everybody's skin is different, so of course, if you're allergic to castor oil or you're not sure if you are, do a patch test first. But yes, this has been an absolute lifesaver, these two together. I've been using them together for about a little over 30 days, and I really like the results. My skin looks healthier and more moisturized, and it's transitioning into the fall and winter season much more gracefully, and very few skin flare-ups like dryness, flakiness, any skin cracks, because I'm using this every single day. And it's so simple and so easy. You can easily incorporate it into your daily routine. I use it immediately after showering when my skin is still damp, so I can lock and seal in the moisture. And then, like I said, put on my makeup, get dressed, and get on with the day. It's well worth the extra 2 minutes that it takes to put it on. If you found this research-backed content to be helpful, make sure to like and subscribe, and I will catch you in the next video.